Hello, in this video I will show you how you can adjust Quick Settings panel on Google Pixel 10. First of all, swipe down your Quick Settings menu, do it again, and here tap on this pencil icon. Now you are able to edit your Quick Settings. Here is your Quick Settings with the minus icon, and in the lower section you can find additional settings that you can add to your Quick Settings. So in your Quick Settings menu, in your Quick Settings section, you are able to edit, for example, the place for this wallet tile. For example, let's hold on it, and now you are able to change the place for this tile. Now let's place it, for example, over here, and now you can also adjust the size of this setting by dragging the edges. Also, you can remove some of the settings that you want to delete. You can use this minus icon in order to remove it from your quick settings. If you want to add some quick settings, you have to go down, and here, for example, let's take the extra dim. Let's click this plus, and now you are able to find the extra dim feature in your quick settings, so you can also manage the place by holding on it. So basically that's how it looks like. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.